Guys, today is Monday, and I think that we should go and do the job. But first of all, before I proceed, go to that link. You see a red button there on my YouTube. Click on the red button, subscribe, share, and like. Subscribe, share to your friends so that they will see the video. And and today's Monday. I want just to give you a brief before I go to work. I'm rushing to the work to my office. I want just to give you a brief video before I rush to the office. If you're a boat driver, today being Monday, there's what we call Monday rush. It's time to cash out. A lot of people want to go to work. A lot of people want to go to work on Monday. At least Monday will determine what will happen during the week. So Monday is a test run to them, you understand? So as a boat driver, you can use advantage on Monday where people are rushing to work, understand? On the app and boom, zoom off you to locations that you get trips. You definitely get back-to-back trips. As a good boat driver, trust me, you can actually make up to 20k or 25 to 30k. I have a lot of friends that drive on board. They make on this Monday rush, they make all the money they want to make, and as well, you can as well do such. So I'm advising you to own your app and put yourself in a strategic location. What are the strategic locations? Residential areas like Asokoro, like Katape, like Lokogoma, like Lugbe, like Kubwa. You are taking people from their residential area to the town. Understand? And once you drop off them to the town, don't stay at town, because if you stay at town, you'll be getting trips of 500 naira. Go back to those residential area and bring them back to town. And in that way, you see yourself making a lot of cash before 10 a.m. So the Monday rush is from 5 a.m. to 10 to, let's say, from 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. You have made all the money you want to make for the day. Understand? So, and there's evening rush too. That is from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. You have made all the money you want to make for that day, for that week self. So I'm advising you, I'm urging you guys on your app and boom, yeah, gone. Then also please, I want, if you have a car and you want to, if you have a car, you want to drive on the boat platform, you want to register on the boat platform, you don't know how to go about it, just DM me, I'll put you through. Or if you have a car, you don't have time to drive, you want a company to manage the car for you, we are a fleet company. Just release your car, message me or DM me or drop my WhatsApp number there, message me, WhatsApp me, and we can talk business, and I will tell you how much I'm going to remit to you every week. Your car will be working for you and be cashing out every week without you working. So you can imagine how much your car will be working for, making for you without you driving around the town. We have best of drivers, we have verified drivers to drive on this platform. So reach out to me and you are good to go. Voila. Let's talk later. See you guys.